Nowadays, skincare is not just for women. Men also need healthy, clean, and confident skin. If you think skincare is too complicated, it's not. Just a few simple steps can make a big difference. Cleansing. The first and most important step is cleansing. Choose a gentle facial cleanser that matches your skin type. Avoid using body soap, as it can dry out your skin and cause irritation. Wash your face twice daily, morning and night, to remove excess oil, dirt, and prevent breakouts. Exfoliation. Exfoliate once or twice a week. This step removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and brightens the skin. If you shave regularly, exfoliation also helps the razor glide more smoothly and reduces ingrown hairs. Moisturizing. After cleansing, your skin needs hydration. Many men skip this step, but it's the key to keeping skin healthy. Choose a lightweight, fast-absorbing moisturizer. If you have oily skin, go for a gel or lotion. For dry skin, pick a thicker cream. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must. Sun exposure is the leading cause of skin aging, dark spots, and even skin cancer. Use sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days or when working indoors near windows. Healthy lifestyle skincare is not only about products. A healthy lifestyle matters too. Drink enough water. Eat more vegetables and fruits. Limit greasy and spicy foods as well as alcohol. Get enough sleep and exercise regularly. These habits keep your skin healthy from the inside out. Beard and special areas. Don't forget your beard area, neck, and lips. Use a gentle shaving gel. Replace razor blades regularly, and apply lip balm to prevent dryness and cracking. Skincare for men is not complicated. Just cleanse. Exfoliate. Moisturize and use sunscreen. Combined with a healthy lifestyle, and you'll have healthier, more confident skin every day. Start today. Your skin will thank you in the future. Don't think of skincare as something unnecessary or time-consuming. In fact, it's a way to show self-care and confidence. When your skin is healthy, you'll feel more confident at work, in conversations, and in life. Start today. Just a few minutes each day can make a visible difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more men's skincare tips.